This is Suza from Subhashri College BBA first sem, and we'd like to welcome you to Subhashri podcast. So today we have community club with us, and we'd like to have a short introduction of them first.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ria Khargi, the president of Community Club, and I'm very glad to be part of it.
Hello everyone, I'm Soin Manandar, Vice President of Community Club, and thank you Suza for letting me join this meeting.
Hello everyone, it's me Amrita Chaudhary, student of Subhashri College, BBA Section A. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Roxanne Naik, student of Subhashri College from BBA Section B as well as member of Community Club. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me Kavita Raul. I am the member of the Community Club. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is me Nilima Khanal and I am from Department of Student Affairs. Thank you for letting me into this podcast.
Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Karki and I am from Leadership Club and I am manager at Leadership Club. Welcome to the podcast.
So as some community clubs, and first of all, हाम्रो community club को members चाहिँ यो question छ मेरो तर्फबाट चाहिँ what do you think community club is तपाईहरुको विचारमा चाहिँ?
Community club is all about the members that we have in a community and forming the unity and helping them to solve their problems.
For me, community club is something that where we help every people and every sector of the environment and the community.
So like you guys said, in Community Club, you will be trying to help people. So how will you कसरी गर्छौ help?
First thing is we can't promise them to solve their problem, but we can promise them that they don't have to go through it alone. We will organize various type of programs like cleaning the environment and organizing blood donation programs, volunteering them, and such type of programs.
We will, as a committee member, we will organize different campaign program, awareness program, blood donation program, and etc. to make aware people about different activities, problems according in our community.
As Amrita and Ria has said, we'll do all the things to help the people, and not only the people, we'll also help the animals and the environment for environment by organizing various program and we'll provide various facilities to the community.
So and community club को कारणले चाहिँ so community लाई चाहिँ help भइरहेछ हैन अनि so we are in a college हैन since we are in college so college लाई चाहिँ यहाँबाट के बेनिफिटहरु हुन सक्छ?
We can stop students who are harming the environment, like cleaning environment doesn't mean आफ्नो घर मात्रै सफा गर्ने and or we can clean our college environments too. Like different type of problems we can see, like bullying students, so we can go and consult them that we should not do them. And त्यस्तै अरु program, like we can do different things.
अनि एज वेल एज अब हाम्रो कलेजमा के हुन्छ भने लाइक सबैजना स्टुडेन्ट एउटै ब्याकग्राउन्डबाट आएको हुँदैन लाइक कसैको केही प्रब्लम भइरहेको हुन्छ कसैले मेन्टल प्रब्लमहरु भइरहेको हुन्छ त्यसको लागि हामी हेल्प गर्नेछौँ
यो चाहिँ अब मेरो यो क्वेशन चाहिँ हरेक क्लब मेम्बरहरुको लागि हो सो व्हाई डिड यु जोइन कम्युनिटी क्लब
As we already said before, the main target and motto of our community club is to help the member of the community. Not only includes the human being, but also animals that are helpless. Like people can speak and share their problems, but what about the helpless animals that people are treating them like the way they should not be treated. So yeah, we are going to treat each and everyone equally.
And similarly, we'll not only talk about physical health, we'll also help people in their mental health too.
We can see various organizations where they are needing funds, so we can organize fundraising programs and help them. And like that, we got many programs, so we will do it turn by turn.
There are different needy people होइन जसको पैसा हुँदैन अनि मम्मी बाबा धेरै जस्तै क्यान्सरहरू भयो ब्रेन ट्युमर तिनीहरूसँग पैसा हुँदैन हामीहरूले तिनीहरूको लागि पैसा कलेक्ट गरेर फन्ड्स कलेक्ट गरेर तिनीहरूको हेल्प गर्न सक्छौँ.
Firstly, I never thought that I will be joining this club because I am an introvert type of a girl. But later I thought to give a try, so I am here. I just wanna gain a confidence in skill, knowledge, and public speaking and interaction between members. Hope you will help me. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. अरु कविता जी हजुर पनि के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ कि?
मैले जोइन गर्नुको कारण कन्फिडेन्स लेभल बढाउन एन्ड एक्टिभ पार्टिसिपेट हुनको लागि.
Thank you, Kavita. Nilima ma'am, do you have any questions for any members?
Questions भन्दा पनि I just would like to say this thing to students like our members like Raksha and Kavita that this is the right platform for you all to build up your confidence and be more active and be more participative. अब each and every program active भएर अनि आफ्नो आइडियाजहरु पनि शेयर गरेर हैन ग्रुपमा किनभने टिम यो हाम्रो कम्युनिटी क्लबको टिम भनेको इट्स नट ओन्ली अबाउट प्रेसिडेन्ट एन्ड भाइस प्रेसिडेन्ट इट्स अल अबाउट टिम वर्क हैन पोजिसन जे भए पनि यु अल आर इक्वल सो आफुलाई कुनै पनि आइडिया आउँछ यो गर्दिम जस्तो लाग्छ भने प्लिज शेयर गर्नुहोस् यु हेभ लाइक यु हेभ योर ओन च्याट अनि त्यसपछि तपाईहरु आफै मिटिङ गरेर अर्गनाइज गरेर आफ्नो आइडियाजहरु शेयर गर्ने अनि त्यसपछि तपाईहरुसँग यति धेरै पावर छ कि यु क्यान जस्ट मेक थिंग्स ह्यापन अब बिग लेभलमा नभए पनि एटलिस्ट इनसाइड कलेज you have so many things to do, you have so many things to perform, so you could have also like so this is the right platform you have chosen and I'm really proud of you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So guys, अहिले चाहिँ लकडाउन छ है सो हामीले त्यति धेरै इनिसिएटिभ त देखाउन सक्दैनौं होला अन हेल्पिङ द कम्युनिटी तर जब सबै चीज नर्मल हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि जब सबै चीज नर्मल हुन्छ तब वी विल बी इन कलेज हैन अनि विल बी इन काठमाडौँ अब एटलिस्ट हामीले त्यो बेला चाहिँ हेल्प गर्न सक्छौं नि त एन्ड व्हाट डु यु थिंक अनि हाउ यु आर गोइङ टु हेल्प एट दैट टाइम के जब सबै चीज नर्मल हुन्छ त्यो बेला त अब अफ कोर्स पीपल विल नीड मोर हेल्प हैन अनि कम्युनिटी क्लबमा हुनुको मोटिभेट त्यही हो कि टु हेल्प अदर मोर एन्ड मोर हैन कम्युनिटीलाई नै हेल्प गर्ने सो हाउ डु यु थिंक यु आर गोइङ टु हेल्प कम्युनिटी आफ्टर एभ्रिथिङ विल बी नर्मल
So thank you for the question, Deep. मैले चाहिँ के भन्न खोजेको भने अब जस्तै अब यो लकडाउन सिद्धेपछि अब सबै मान्छेलाई अहिले नि कोभिडले गर्दा हामीले धेरै मनी क्राइसिसहरु भएको छ अनि त्यसले गर्दा मान्छेलाई सर्भाइभ गर्न नि गाह्रो भइरहेछ त्यसैले हामी चाहिँ के गर्न सोचेछौं भने फन्ड रेज गरेर वी विल हेल्प द नीडी पिपल सो दैट मनी क्राइसिस कम होस् भनेर
like Sarin said, money crisis. Money crisis mata include hudaina isma like people can come to us and share their mental health problems. Like our college, there are so many students who may be going through mental breakdowns and who don't share to us. But if they really want to feel like they should come and share, then we are always open for them.
I just would like to add one point just to Ria said just now. If students are going through any mental breakdown, they can just come and share with members of community club. So you say, what I believe is really you could have realized गर्नु भएको छैन, but she has said a whole big thing कि यो यस्तो कुरा भन्नु भनेको तपाईले सबै साथीहरुलाई एउटा अपर्च्युनिटी दिने एउटा ओपननेस लाइक वेलकमिङ गर्नु भएको कि I am here for you, we all are here for you भनेर है which is a really really good initiative. I am like एकदम मलाई खुसी लागिरहेछ आज यस्तो यस्तो कुराहरू निस्किरहेछ पोडकास्टमा that यस्तो यस्तो प्लान रहेछ कम्युनिटी क्लबको. This is a very good thing, guys. Just keep on doing this.
Yes, ma'am. We'll try our best.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
We will try.
Exactly, ma'am. To talk about mental health, होइन सबैजनाले कुरा गर्छन् त्यसको बारेमा अनि that is the main thing. We all care about our physical fitness होइन physical health, but mental health चाहिँ धेरै प्रायोरिटी दिँदैन मान्छेहरूले, which we should है. अनि सो कम्युनिटी क्लबको चाहिँ अब हामीले अहिले पनि सायद लकडाउनमा पनि सर्टेन पिपलहरूलाई हेल्प गर्न सक्छौँ. अनि तपाईँहरूको चाहिँ जस्तै अब पास्टको पनि कुनै मुभमेन्टहरूलाई नि जस्तै यु गाइज हेभ हेल्प अदर्स अनि त्यस्तो केही छ भने you can share.
I'm a very social helper type of person. So like महिनामा एक दुई चोटि भए पनि I go to different organization and help them, like donate what I have, and it really makes me feel good about it. So म चाहिँ like हाम्रो आफ्नो कम्युनिटीको मेम्बर प्लस अरू मेम्बर्सहरूसँग पनि यही कुरा चाहिँ like कन्टिन्यू गर्न चाहन्छु पछिसम्म.
Adding one more point, guys. जस्तो हाम्रो कलेजमा there are admissions every year, होइन? Every year new admission हुन्छ. 6 months हाम्रो स्टुडेन्ट चेन्ज भइरहेको हुन्छ. सो नयाँ कलेजमा आउँदाखेरि टोटली नयाँ इन्भाइरोमेन्ट हुन्छ, फ्रेन्ड्स भएको हुँदैन, दे डोन्ट नो अबाउट एनिथिङ. अब लाइक अनि म्यानेजमेन्टको तर्फबाट भन्दा पनि स्टुडेन्टको तर्फबाट यो वेलकमिङ इन्भाइरोमेन्ट आयो भने दे फिल मोर कम्फर्टेबल. स्टुडेन्टलाई ओरिएन्टेसन गराउनेदेखि लिएर अनि त्यसपछि सबैजनालाई इन्फर्म गरायो भने कि for any kind of problem, for any new awkwardness, like a community club is there. But this is a really great idea. What do you think about this?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we are thinking about it and we will implement it soon.
So I think हामी हाम्रो पडकास्टको लास्टतिर आइसकेका छौँ. And thank you Community Club for being with us, and thank you Deep for helping me out with moderating, and thank you Nilma ma'am for joining us today.
And thank you us for having.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.